Avoid overexertion. Stay healthy while learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an important phrase that can help you in your language learning journey and beyond. Avoid overexertion. Understanding this phrase not only benefits your physical health but also enhances your mental well-being and efficiency in learning new skills. So, let's dive in and find out why it's crucial to avoid overexertion. The phrase, avoid overexertion, consists of two key words, avoid and overexertion. To avoid means to keep away from or to prevent something from happening. Overexertion, on the other hand, refers to exerting oneself too much, especially to the point of strain or beyond what is healthy. When we combine these words, the phrase literally means to prevent yourself from working or exercising too hard to the point where it could be harmful to your health. Avoiding overexertion is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps to prevent injuries. Pushing your body or mind too hard can lead to stress and strain, which might result in injuries that could have been avoided. Secondly, it ensures better learning and productivity. Overworking yourself can actually make you less productive and hinder your learning process because your brain and body need time to rest and recover to function optimally. Lastly, avoiding overexertion is key to maintaining mental health. It helps in preventing burnout, anxiety, and depression, which are often results of pushing ourselves too hard for too long. 1. Listen to your body and mind. Recognize the signs of fatigue and stress. If you're feeling tired or overwhelmed, take a break. 2. Set realistic goals. Ensure that your learning goals and timelines are achievable without having to push yourself too hard. 3. Incorporate breaks. Short breaks during study sessions can boost your productivity and focus while protecting you from overexertion. 4. Practice time management. Organize your schedule to include sufficient time for rest, exercise, hobbies, and social activities. 5. Seek balance. Find a healthy balance between learning, work, and leisure. It's essential for preventing overexertion and for overall well-being. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of avoiding overexertion and how you can implement strategies to prevent it. Remember, taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial, especially when learning something new. We encourage you to listen to your body, set realistic goals, and seek balance in your daily activities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on making your language learning journey as effective and enjoyable as possible. Stay healthy and keep learning.